Dialers and phone service that use Voice over Internet Protocol, also called VoIP, require a high-speed internet connection with adequate and consistent bandwidth with a proper router to have consistently high-quality calls. Wired connections are the most reliable. Wireless and satellite internet connections may or may not work well, depending on their signal strength. Internet bandwidth. You need at least 1.5 megabytes per second download speed for each of our dialers. After watching this video, you can determine your own internet bandwidth on this website, speedtest.net. If you are not in North America, click the middle of North America on the map before beginning your test. Click the Begin Test button. It takes less than a minute to perform the test. Your ping, also known as latency, is tested first. This is the time it takes for your call to be sent from your computer to one of our servers, then to the telephone number you are calling. It should be less than 90 microseconds. The lower your ping number, the faster your calls go through. It then tests your download speed. The higher that number, the better. To calculate how much download speed you need, multiply your number of dialers at that location times 1.5 megabytes. For example, to use 10 dialers successfully, your download speed should be at least 15 megabytes. Dedicated or shared internet service. Other simultaneous internet activities such as web browsing, audio and video file streaming, uploading and downloading files, watching YouTube, etc., by you or other people that are using the same internet service can greatly reduce the available bandwidth for your dialer, thus possibly reducing the quality of your VoIP calls. In addition, if your internet service provider shares the same service with other people or companies in your neighborhood or building, your service can be diminished at any time if any of those other people are using a lot of bandwidth. When there is not enough bandwidth available, you will notice an increase in the time, latency, it takes to view web pages, download files, etc. But when VoIP voice packets slow down, the quality of the calls get choppy or echo or simply drop. If your bandwidth is inadequate for high-quality sound, we recommend getting more bandwidth and/or using a quality of service or QoS router. If you have numerous VoIP dialers or phones, as well as numerous employees using their computers on the internet, we recommend getting a separate dedicated internet connection for your VoIP and another for your other internet uses. Routers and modems. Routers and modems are hardware used to distribute network traffic and bandwidth. Most internet services provide you with a router-modem combination. If you do have a router-modem combination, you cannot also have a separate router. If your modem does not have a router built in, you will need a separate router. Some routers and modems do not work well or do not work at all with VoIP. You may need to ask your internet provider if your modem is VoIP compatible. If you do need a router, we recommend Cisco Linksys as they are designed to work well with VoIP. We recommend installing the latest firmware on your router so it is up to date. And, like computers, routers and modems need to be rebooted from time to time. Firewall management. Firewalls are used to protect your network and computers from outside attacks, viruses, malware, etc. To use VoIP technology, you will need to open certain ports on your firewall, modem, or router. If needed, please refer to our detailed requirements about this. Antivirus management. Antivirus software that we recommend is included free. Windows Security Essentials comes with Windows 7, and Windows Defender comes with Windows 8. Some other antivirus software such as Norton, AVG, Kaspersky, Sophos, Avast, Trend Micro, WebRoot, McAfee, etc. may block or degrade your VoIP service, but they can often be unblocked by making an exception for our VoIP software. For details, visit helpmedial.com and click on Requirements, then on Read PDF for the Internet requirements. If you need additional help, we recommend contacting an information technology or IT professional with VoIP experience, not just Internet experience.